Case management. Case creation. Discovery Local's Case Creation Wizard assists you in case creation using 7 simple steps. Review this case creation workflow to get a sense of how Discovery Local's Case Creation Wizard makes adding cases simple. Step 1. Adding basic case information. This includes knowing which client your case should be created under, providing case name in the format you've set out for your firm, adding a matter number, and confirming your case data directory. Step 2 relates to database configuration. You may copy from an existing case, load from a CSV file, load from a data load file, utilize the default template, or create your own case using the native file ingestion template. Copy from an existing case brings over database field names and types, the tag palette, the redaction palette, stop words, case options, saved searches, keywords, and coding forms. In addition to items that come over from copy from existing case, option 2, load from a case definition file, includes saving structured saved searches. Loading fields from a data load file requires that the data file is acceptable to Discovery Local in order for it to bring in all the fields that the data file contains. Using the default template provides the case with only the basic and required fields for case creation, and a couple more. Beware that this template is not designed for native file ingestion. The native file ingestion template provides not only the basic and necessary fields, but also includes necessary fields for native file metadata capture. Native file ingestion is the default selection for Step 2 of case creation. Step 3 allows you to add additional fields or further define fields based on your Step 2 selection. Step 4 considers tags. Proper planning will help ensure that the tag groups and tags you define meet the needs of your case. You can always add and remove tags at any time. Tag group rules. Tag groups allow you to customize rules for tags within a group. Exclusive means that only one tag in the group may be selected. Required means that a reviewer must select a tag from the group in order to proceed. Locked means a reviewer can no longer use that tag to tag a document. Required child tags means that the tag has an additional subtag that's required for selection. Tag entire family means that all items associated with that document, like a parent-child relationship, will be tagged with that same tag you selected. The required child tag rule can be a little difficult to understand. Review the displayed scenarios to ensure you understand the nature of this selection. Please review the tag group rules chart for further information and examples. Each tag may have an option associated with it, including where it's displayed, whether or not that the tag is included in a privilege report, and if the tag should also be a transcript issue. Review the tag rules chart for further explanation and examples. Step 5 is where you create your redactions. You may have up to 99 redaction categories per database, and depending on the case file definition you've selected, you may see default or prepared redactions in the interface. Proper planning will help when creating redaction categories. You can always edit these categories at a later date. Step 6 relates to case options, including how tagging should be accomplished. If you want history options, how document dates are formatted, whether or not you require validation of load files, database native time zones, and the stop word list. Before the final summary of your settings, Step 7 will ask you to define the case admin for the case and the stop word list for the use in this database. Once you've completed Steps 1 through 7, you'll be asked to review a summary of your selections to ensure that your case creation is the way you intended it to be. Thank you for attending.